Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to create a Python program to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. Okay, so first I'm going to define a function which is called is palindrome, and then I'm sending the arguments here. For I in range 0, I'm using a for loop because we are going to check each and every character for by forward indexing and backward indexing. So as it starts with forward indexing, I'm giving the starting value as 0, and in len of string divided by 2. Okay, so because we are checking the length of the string which is given by the user, then if string of I, which is the index value, is not equal to string of len of str minus I minus 1, if the reverse values are not equal, then it should return false, otherwise it should return true. Okay, so that's all about my function. Now I'm assigning a variable s is equal to input enter a string. So enter a string in the sense it will ask the user to enter a string, and when they enter a value, the characters will be stored in the variable s. And then I'm having one more variable called ans is equal to is palindrome is. The string which I'm getting here, I'm sending that as a argument to the is palindrome function, and the output, whether it is true or false, the output will be stored in the variable ans. If ans, if it get that as a written value, print the given string is palindrome, otherwise the given string is not palindrome. So that's all the program. Let us run this. So it is asking me to enter a string. I'm just typing Krish. The given string is not a palindrome because if you read from the beginning or from the last, it should pronounce the same. But the name which I have entered is Krish, which is not the same. Now let us enter the same program once again. Now I am typing mom. The given string is a palindrome. So however you pronounce it, sounds the same. Okay, so this is how palindrome program works. We'll meet you in the next video with another program. Thank you. Happy learning.